how do you feel about Bhadra Electronics?
It's a welcoming institute that introduces us to ECM's repairs, of which we had so many difficulties in repairing them without solution, also where to get the training. So when I go to Google, then I found Bhadra. At first I thought maybe it can be a scam, but I went on following until I found out that they're doing the real thing. That's when I decided to give it a try. So I now know almost everything that I wanted to know. The problems that I was facing, now I can be able to resolve them.
What do you want to tell others about Bhadra Electronics?
Say to anybody who wants to be in the industry, this is the place to go, Bhadra. It was nice to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you very
for
much.
being a part of Bhadra Electronics.
Uh,
We wish you all the best.